Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so our monitoring spirit that they call The Sun and Sports, they let us know say Mikel Arteta, they ask the Arsenal hierarchy, the board of directors, say may they help and sign Ruben Neves, saying really need that player because one replaced Thomas Partey. Obviously, everybody is aware. But here's where it becomes interesting. Newcastle also, on the other hand, like I reported yesterday, Newcastle said they really serious. They won't sign that Ruben Neves permanently. So who then go sell him? Because remember, say Newcastle get edge over Arsenal based on say the owners of Al Hilal, we get the Ruben Neves, that let's say own Newcastle. So who you got to see they go sell the player to? If Newcastle don't even buy the player in the first place, they feel no even want sell to Arsenal at all, no matter the price. Ruben Neves is earning £300,000 per week over there in Saudi Arabia. Can Arsenal even pay him £300,000 per week to play here? How much Wolves they pay him before you go Al Hilal? So these are the questions. So Arsenal they say one go sign, can you really pay his salary? So that's the major question. Well, but just the watch. At the end of the day, I know say Arsenal they identify other options just in case this one refuses to work. Alright, so Pep Guardiola also come drop his own 2 cents about the EPL, about the investigation. You see them, they get 115 breaches of this financial fair play. So Pep come of the opinion say it will make sense, make the Premier League conduct their investigation very fast, because the Premier League don't carry the case. Go give a commission, an independent commission. We go check this Man City's 115 breaches to actually find some without anything they wrong or not. So Pep did not say make them do it quick, because the people don't they judge them in the court of public opinion. People they talk about them and say yes, Man City they guilty, even though you are innocent until proven guilty. But in the eyes of many, they are already guilty. So Pep they say make them do the thing quick. No, we know sharp. If they innocent like them think, oh, they believe that they innocent. So if then they innocent, everybody will know. So this matter will just die once and for all. But if the commission come out with a guilty verdict, will Man City be allowed to appeal? Because many people are saying this case will stretch on for like 2 years. So by then we're going to see what will stop again. Alright, for the match they play yesterday, for the friendly matches, so Germany play Turkey. I don't know how many of you watched the match, but Kai Havertz was trending as they played the match. Because about night now, what's the funny for that match? We say Nagelsmann play Kai Havertz as a left back. Why I play him as left back, my brother? I can never tell, because they get the back four defense. Kai Havertz play left back. Fabrizio Romano will even report and say, see Havertz they play left back for Germany today. Funnily enough, 5 minutes into the game, Havertz on post net, score one. Left back will come inside. The score will make me call it and say, my Arteta go dey observe, go dey note things down. Say, almost in new position alert. The right hand said the guy they play left back and he scored. But at the end of the day, Havertz turned from hero to villain, because at the end of the day, Turkey can't beat them 3-2. Havertz use and touch ball, they can't blow penalty, Turkey score. So at the end of the day, people got to complain. So well, it is what it is, but this one now just like a new position where we don't say Havertz fit play, so that in case of necessity for Arsenal, maybe we get injury worries, like injury problems we affect maybe Zinchenko, affect Tomiyasu, affect Kivio. I don't know, those kind of situations. Just they paint them for my head. Then we can bring Havertz. So, okay, I can't play left back. Where would they use Thomas Partey play right back? So it is what it is. Alright, I know so many people don't they ask me, Sir Chu, she not to say Haaland don't get injury. Is it true? Yes, Haaland gets ankle injury for the match where Norway play against one team like that. I don't even forget one country. So he gets ankle injury there. Although they say they that serious, but their next match they will play against Scotland, they won't rest them. They don't want making involve himself, because this ankle problem it don't affect them for a very long time. I mean the injury we get that last time also we miss one match. So this time around, we'll see what will happen. And remember, say their next match now against Liverpool and an early kickoff, I think 12:30 or thereabouts. Early kickoff immediately after the international break against Liverpool. So our prayer, I mean Liverpool even poke with them. Kovacic don't collect injury, we go dey out maybe like for 3 weeks or thereabouts in get injury. Rodri is an injury scare. Spain no one use him for their matches again. They say they fear me the guy no get injury. So Man City they get some kind injury worries. So even their goalkeeper Elderson, he don't come up for Brazil. Say he get back problem. He don't return to Man City. Now Alisson now they play for Brazil and Liverpool keeper. So a lot of things that happen for the injury side. Get many things they suffer. So it is what it is. We'll just wait on Saturday because for also they hear they say that match will be too early for Erling Haaland to involve himself because anything will make an involve that match is going to be a physical match. So he will feel maybe escalate the injury. So they will need to rest him, and if they rest him, they don't really get that bite to get to play against Liverpool, and their unbeaten run for home is coming to an end. As if the possibility is there. As an Arsenal fan, I am happy that they are having their own fair share of injuries because we say injury they ravage us. Ojega never played for a long time now, so it is what it is. Alright, so Tottenham Hotspur don't ditch their plan to sign Ivan Toney, and they thought the one reason Rafinha of Barcelona. So do you know that Rafinha is up for sale? Barcelona don't put down for the market £61 million for anybody interested. So now what it make Angel Postecoglou they feel say he no one join the battle between Arsenal, Chelsea and themselves, but all of us they need striker for Ivan Toney, make it no go increase the price because when he looks at his team, they see Son is playing 9 and is very prolific. They score goals aplenty. So instead, they need somebody to come and cover or compete with Dejan Kulusevski when they play for the right flank. So now waiting them won't do. That is why there's a reason say instead of buying maybe an Ivan Toney, we will come here now, come play the number 9 position, but we already have somebody there. So we will look for the one we with the pressing area where we really need. And just like us now, we look at decent cover for Bukayo Saka, then look at decent cover for Kulusevski. So that's why they come on for Ivan Toney. Chelsea on the other hand, according to David Ornstein, they come on for Ivan Toney. So now only Arsenal will did there. So at the end of the day, we'll see what they solve. We never know the contract extension what they do for Brentford, whether Ivan Toney will really accept them. So we'll just watch as things unfold. Another information we want to hear now is based on say Brazil they very desperate to beat Argentina. So when you hear say for the Maracanã Stadium for Brazil, say Brazil never really lose any home match, any like World Cup qualifying home match. They never lose them. And based on say the injuries we then get, na Neymar no dey, Richarlison no dey, Jesus no dey fit, Vinicius Junior don't come out. So this might be a very bad time for them. So the coach they very desperate. They must make sure they win their game. Yeah, so don't just watch. I want to say Arsenal fans, Arsenal coach, everybody waiting for Arsenal. We are keenly interested to see what will happen to that match. No one here say Gabriel Jesus can get a lengthy injury because that match will be very physical. Yes, it will be physical because they be rivals. Yes, in short, then they asked Rodrigo about the match. They say the match will be like one of the biggest matches in his career. And so that match they did. You know the rivalry between the two countries, not just the ordinary match. Yes, so this is what it is. On Tuesday or on Wednesday. Then go play. I mean, that Tuesday or Wednesday, then go play. I go check the calendar. But I don't say early momo. This kind of thing before we wake up on Nigeria, they don't play match finish. All the Brazilian match I never watch one. But you wake up like this, full time don't reach. Alright, Fabrizio Romano also let us know say Ben White's new deal for Arsenal. They don't do almost complete. Say both sides, Ben White's camp and Arsenal camp, they feel say the deal will be completed very soon. They are very positive. Say nothing will hinder the deal from happening. Ben White's salary will increase. He will add more years to his contract. They won't just reward them for the good job when they do for us. And people keep forgetting that Ben White has a clean bill of health. You know, they really get injury, and for that reason, we are very happy with him. I can go back in time. Do you know say you don't get time when we say then give Arsenal and Manchester United points deduction? Not much point though, because of what happened for fights. I think October 20, 1990, Arsenal versus Manchester United, they play match for Old Trafford. So one of our players, whether they call Nigel Winterborn, come do one tackle on Dennis Iwin for the second half, and the tackle was so bad. Maybe say Manchester United fans come. One of the players first come push our Winterborn, and that's Limper will be one of our Arsenal players also. Come over there, push our own player. Before you know, there was a melee, there was a brawl. Like 21 players was involved. The whole capacity of the stadium just stayed. They watch them. Players they fight each other. In fact, for the Arsenal camp now, only David Seaman now involved based on where in they fight. stewards, everybody just watching them fight, they can't fight, finish. All the Manchester United team. That is why when you talk about the rivalry between Arsenal and Manchester United, it deep go, it go back in time, back in history. And I can't do the research, I can't see the fight no be here at the end of the day. The FA can't give Arsenal 2 points deduction, can't give Manchester United a single digits deduction. At the end of the day, the customer will pay £50,000 fine each. So at the end of Arsenal's total tally for the season, they come minus 2 points. So as I just let you know things will happen in history. Okay, the Evening Standard come outside and let us know. So the FA talks to the logo charge Arsenal based on waiting then talk, like based on how they take support Arteta for this comments we make about referees, VAR, embarrassing, is this, is that, a disgrace. See, they no go do anything about Arsenal, just warning. But Arteta could face a fine or a touchline ban. You get? I think the kind of go back in history when Tuchel with Conte do their own brouhaha last season. They gave Tuchel £20,000 fine. Get? So this time around, I don't know whether Arteta own punishments, whether they go carry and go up. I mean at the same level, because at the same 3.1 breach, the law with them breach, at the same law. And I believe say the law supposed to get the same punishments, but at the end of the day, we'll see how things they unfold. So my dear Arsenal lovers, we know what yesterday's show. Check the top left corner of your screen, we'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that I get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. Get out.